Welcome back to Bags on the Go. Hey y'all, the heat has passed over us. We got a cold front that came in. It's raining. Feels so good. It's just been 90 at most for like say about 2 weeks straight, and to say the least, I'm over it, been over it, and the chill in the air right now feels so good. So when it feels calm and collective just like this gives me the energy to stay working, because I ain't gonna be sweating a lot. Whatever I do, I ain't gonna be sweating. So what I gotta do now is throw the carpet in here and do all my trimming. This is gonna take literally all of 30 minutes or so. Just cutting out the holes for the bolts, seat belt, tucking up under, and then tucking up under the back seat. A little trim piece right here that's barely holding on for dear life. If you touch it, it just turns to snow, just crinkles away. So I'm gonna keep asking y'all, if y'all know where parts is, you need parts. These sail panels, it's a piece that goes around the window and it goes all the way down the side right here. I need these pieces. I need 2 of them. And these ones, like I got word on where to get these from. I'm just holding tight. They're a little on the expensive side. This ain't necessarily something I want to put the money into, and it's gonna cost $200 and some for 4 of these. That's crazy. So, I'm gonna take my time, but I'm asking y'all. Y'all may have a race car buddy, friend, or somebody that went with the new interior and got these pieces sitting in the back of the trunk somewhere on the shelf, whatever, man. Hit me up and be like, hey man, you got these prices that he want for these. You want them or not? But I ain't just gonna buy from anybody, so believe that. Hit me if y'all got them parts. I need them. I'm just gonna have to keep saying that. You never know who's watching you. So what I'm about to do now, let's go ahead, get the carpet down. Carpet looking straight too. Carpet looking real straight. Ain't got no wrinkles in it. So I'm gonna pull that down, throw that in the car. That's the easy part. Cut the hose out. All right, so nothing more, nothing less. Let's get to it. You know what? Before I put the carpet in, I need to steam this back seat, because I didn't do that. I need to do that because that's the last thing I need to do. Once that carpet is in, I don't want to get any of my carpet wet, dirty. So I'm just going to go ahead, steam that back seat down real quick, wipe it down. Got my little Amazon sprayer, steamer. You can do it wet, or you can do it dry. When I tell you, I make wonders working with this thing. I clean the engine bay, I clean whatever. burned through. That sucks. That back seat was perfect. It happens. These cars be knowing. Just how it's knowing I'm getting that front seat done. It said, Let me wipe this down. I'm gonna cut out the hose. You know how we do it. Let's get into it. Ooh-wee. It's amazing what new carpet can do in a nice clean area. This camera's not really picking up the cleanness, but if you know what I started with, you can see the difference. Wow. So now I'm gonna have to put a cover down so I can put my seat back in here and don't dirty my carpet up. That's clean now. Put me a little towel down by my feet too. That blue, this is what I wanted. I wanted that blue on blue. That sky blue takes me back. Takes me back when my dad had that 66 Impala. Blue on blue. Love that blue on blue. I got rid of my green car just for this because I wanted this color. I saw this and I was like, this is what I was trying to create. Save myself some time. And got myself a nice car out of it. So, go ahead, pull it outside now. That task is over with. Take a photo. All right, so the caps is off. Uh-oh, got the caps off. So I noticed this one is the same as this back one over here. So I need to get new ones or just swap them out and put the same ones on the same side or something, because this one matching the back one over there. So I'm just gonna go and swap that over there on that side and take that front one and put it over here, and they both be the same. But I need to get in the new ones anyways, because I don't like these. These are short ones. See, they don't go all the way to the rim. I like them. I like the front better. So, about to take the tires off. Trying to decide. It's the end of the day for me right now. I'm kind of tired. I've been tinting in the rainy cars all day, and I'm kind of beat a little bit. So I think I just want to chill, and I'll be fired up tomorrow. I'll just come and pop the wheels right off, take them up to the store, tell them to throw them on. They're gonna charge me $100. They're charging me $100 because they're gonna take these 4 tires and throw them away. They're gonna need 20 out of that too. So I think I'll just leave tomorrow for tomorrow. I popped the caps off and I started to say, I don't even feel like pulling out the jack stands, and just do it tomorrow. That way, when I get them bolted up, I slap them right on. Just leave the car outside on jack stands for a couple of hours. It'll be alright. Because I don't want to leave it on jack stands overnight. Because if I got an early morning appointment at 8, I'm not going to make it to the tire store before. So therefore, this car will be stuck in my spot where I make my money at. and I can't have that. So just gotta time yourself, and I'll get to it. So tomorrow it is. Pop the wheels off, get them bolted up. I'm waiting on my shocks for the rear. They're not coming until tomorrow night, so it's not going to be until Thursday I can have those on. So I'm just going to take my time. I already know I'm going to be fighting with it. It ain't going to be too rusty, but I'm going to go ahead and grease them up tomorrow while it's outside. I'll just spray them down. I don't feel like getting up on the car right now, but I want to do the tires and the shocks all in one, just so it's like I'm right there. Tires off, I just get busy. Done. So that'll be tomorrow's task. I'm gonna need this energy that I'm trying to use today. I'll just wait. Take it easy. So that's where we at. And again, I appreciate y'all for watching me build this car, doing what I'm doing. The views is coming in. I appreciate it. Yeah, you know me. I'm just gonna keep on doing me, and I'm gonna keep on broadcasting it on my channel. It's Bags on the Go. And if you haven't already subscribed, please feel so to do so right now. I hope you liked this video by now. When you saw the carpet in the car, you liked the video. And keep doing what you're doing. If you're watching, keep doing what you're doing. If you don't comment, I don't mind. You watching. If you comment. Keep doing what you're doing. I appreciate it. It just helps my channel grow. Obviously, I want my channel to grow. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. And look, about to get right back to work. This is just a break right here. So let me get into it.